We're going to be having a guilt-free summer with Earth Chimp, so stick around. Hi, Debbie Chu here from Chew on Vegan. Welcome back to my kitchen. If you're new here, I'm a plant-based RN and I follow a plant-based diet. Here on my channel, you're going to find quick and easy whole food plant-based recipes. Be sure to check out all the links below for all the resources I offer. And I would like to take a moment to thank all my members in my membership group here. I really appreciate your support and I hope you are enjoying my videos there. So let's talk about a guilt-free summer. And that means guilt-free desserts. And I'm going to show you one today that is just perfect. And it is low-cal, it is high protein, and it's great for 4th of July. But you'll want to enjoy this one all summer long. Today's recipe is in partnership with Earth Chimp, my absolute favorite protein powder. I love all their flavors and I use them in a lot of different recipes. They're not only great for smoothies, but they're great in your oatmeal and they're great in other recipes, desserts, and especially the one I'm going to show you today. So let's have Chimp Paradise with Earth Chimp protein powder. A little bit about Earth Chimp. As somebody who lives at the beach cleanup is super important to me. Keeping our beaches clean is very important to me. It is in my front yard. I go down to that beach almost every day and walk, and I don't like to see trash, and I pick up trash along the way. And that's one of the things I love about Earth Chimp. Earth Chimp donates 10% of their packaging costs to help clean up our oceans. And that is really important to me, and it should be important to you, because without our oceans, there would be no people. Our oceans are really important to our survival. So I'm really excited to share this recipe with you and support Earth Chimp because they are supporting you and this planet. Another thing I like about Earth Chimp is that you can order your protein powder without a scoop. You just save the scoop from the bag before, and so on your next order you don't have to order one with a scoop. And that saves plastic, and that's awesome. And one more thing, they'll plant a tree for every bag that you order. And if you use the link in the description box, you'll get 10% off your order, every order that you make, and you'll get free shipping if you spend over $45. So let's get on with this Chimp Paradise recipe using vanilla Earth Chimp protein powder. This dessert is going to be light and refreshing. It's going to be a fruit parfait, and we're going to be using the vanilla Earth Chimp. We're going to be using vanilla Kite Hill. This has no sugar added. It's just unsweetened vanilla Greek style yogurt. And then we're going to be using some fresh berries. I've got some fresh strawberries and some fresh blueberries. And then I'm also going to be using some of my homemade granola, and I can leave a link to that recipe below as well. So that's why I said this is great for 4th of July, because you're going to have your red, white, and blue. All right, I'm going to bring you in for a closer look to show you how I make this, and let's go. So like I said, we're going to be using the Greek style vanilla from Kite Hill. This is plain, and this has got 17 grams of protein per serving. There's actually 45 grams in this whole entire container and only 380 calories. Now I'm going to add the entire container into this bowl. And next I'm going to add some of the protein powder. I'm going to start with 3 scoops, and then I'm going to taste it, and then I may add one more. Now with the Earth Chimp, there's no refined sugar. It is sweetened with monk fruit, and it's organic. It has probiotics, so a lot of good stuff. It's very clean. So we're going to just mix this all together. And you just want to mix it thoroughly so it's nice, smooth, and creamy. So I have a 16-ounce jar here, and if you have a fancy parfait dish or glass or whatever, then you can use that. But this is what I have. So I'm going to add a little bit of granola to the bottom. And then I'm going to add in some blueberries and some strawberries. And I'm just going to start layering. So I'm going to start putting in my yogurt here. And the 2 tablespoons seem to be fine. If you want it a little bit sweeter, then you could probably do 1 more. So I ended up using 3 scoops of the vanilla. And then we're just going to put some of that in the jar here. And then we're just going to layer it. It looks really pretty too when you get all this in here. All right, then we'll add some more berries. Strawberries. And then some more of the, and then another layer of yogurt. And then again, some more blueberries and strawberries. And then a final layer of the yogurt. And then just top it with a little bit more strawberries. And then you've got your little red, white, and blue parfait. All right, let's give it a taste. All right, now isn't that pretty for 4th of July? Now if you want your layers more separated, just use less yogurt, but I like a lot of yogurt. And then I love the crunch from the granola too. Mmm. So good. So you can adjust the sweetness. If you want it less sweet, just use less protein powder. But to me, 3 scoops in that whole container was perfect. Mmm. So good. I'll give you the full protein and calories in the description box. But I hope you pick up a bag of Earth Chimp and make your own wonderful desserts, guilt-free desserts this summer. You can make this parfait or use your imagination and create your own. So I hope you like this video. If you learned something, please give it a like and share it with your friends. And if you've made it this far in the video, please comment below with Chimp Paradise, because we're gonna have an awesome summer. Until next time, thank you.